What is up, YouTuber Hamsick is back. I'm here with another video. I'm on the GRIAN server. Sorry if you can't see me in the face cam. It's okay. But like, look how good this server looks. So I'm gonna be playing some build swap, and well, let's get into this. Oh, okay. Let's do that. I'm the only one. Okay, good. People are joining. And how do you like the new intro, guys? It's pretty lit. Okay, I finally made it to the top, and this is it, I guess. Yay! I'm still on my high skin. I've never changed. Xbox for life. Xbox for life. Okay, let's do it again. Yay! Fun. Parkour. Yeah, parkour's fun. I like. It's a diamond. Oh, and guys, if you see a lot of private videos on this channel, it's probably like this video right now. It's probably gonna be this video, but it's gonna be this video without the intro. So that's why it's private. Because the way I put my intro in, I have to upload a video, and then I would have to edit it, and then yeah, that. No, I'll put turn code. Wait, I need black and red turn code. think I built a good snake, don't you guys? And videos may be longer because of this new thing I found to edit my videos. I gotta go with this one. It looks sick. Yeah, it looks sick. Loof. Okay, this is not finished, so I'm gonna vote for this one. Double vote upon you. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna vote for mine. How does it's because they added a top hat and stuff. That's why they added a top hat. But at least mine looks good. This one's just funny. I like it. You could go into the mouth. That's pretty cool. Not finished, so I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, I don't know what the string was for, but okay. Sputnik. Well, this one looks. It has blushes. I don't know. It looks nicer for some. Oh, this is just derpy. It looks like a bird face. That actually looks like a bird face. That just looks like a monster. It looks like a vampire turned into a snake. Double votes. Magical and me. I love anime. Okay, okay. Guess what reference this is from? Okay, that's you have to comment below what that's a reference from. I said. Okay, guys, I'm all good, but singing into a microphone. Oh my god, I can't make it look any good. Like, it literally looks like it's gonna eat it. I need not green, gray. Like this color. Oh, I got concrete gray. Yes. I need light gray. Okay, light gray. Okay, will this load? Okay, this person. Okay, but this one looks good. This one looks good. I like this one. Sam, awesome. What is that? Is that supposed to be like a Freddy or something? It was a tie? Wow. I'm kind of surprised. I like this one. I always love that block. I mean head, not block. Can I move? Like seriously? The Battle Cat one. Wow. Of course. It's the Battle Cat. Can I move? Like seriously? I like this one. I cannot move. Like, look. I like this. Yeah, this one's okay. This one. How do people always vote for him? Oh, I see what he did. That's smart. Yeah, but everyone likes when you add an arm or something. How did that win? I didn't even vote. This monstrosity. I can't move, but I'm gonna vote. Wow. Is it gonna go off? Oh, it didn't go off. I like this one, it's nice. Why did they add gold blocks? That's kind of weird. Like, why would you add gold blocks? That's really weird. I don't know why. But I was swapping. Writing. Oh god. Oh, it could be a two. It could be a two-headed and two-tailed. Oh. You know, like those times when you have like 3,000 like things in your mail, like on your phone. Well, Discord is like that to me. I have literally 1,000 things that I don't care about on my Discord, like that I'm getting notifications about. Okay, he's gonna beat that. No, I didn't finish. Wow, this cool. I saw everything. If I can move, this would be a lot better. I'm just saying. Okay, I am just not gonna vote. Okay, I'm just gonna vote randomly. You are not allowed to. Why? Because it's my side now. Okay, that's why. That's fine. Oh wait, no. Why am I not allowed to vote for that side? Like, because it's not my turn. But really, it's kind of stupid. Oh my god, that would be so stupid. Battle Cats. The Battle Cats won. I remember that game. I love that game when I found out about it. Oh my god. I was literally addicted to that game. Like, all I would do is play Battle Cats. Like, before I found Clash of Clans, which is like kind of getting their game back. And like, after Clash of Clans, like, Battle Cats was my thing after it died. And then, like, once Battle Cats died, Clash Royale was my thing. And then, like, Clash Royale is still my thing, and Clash of Clans too now. Yeah, because like they added this new island. Okay, can I move? Magical, I can move. Oh, why didn't I do that? I like this. That looks cool. But they didn't add a pencil. This one, I should have voted for that one. I just tried to vote because I like this one. Oh, nice use of the shulker box. This like the best use of a shulker box I ever saw in my life. I'm just kidding. I've actually seen better, but like that's just a good use of it. Oh. I mean outro. Timmy, get the right one. Okay, will it load is the question. Will it load is the question. Will my train load is the question. But while you're answering that question, why don't we end it off here? Okay, finally it loads, but I'm gonna still end it off here. Bye guys. YouTuber Fam 6 is out. Timmy, cue the intro.